This is an 06 Dodge 2500 Sprinter. I've got the header pipe that's fastened to a hanger, and the motor is down this way. You can see the stainless steel flex pipe up in there. It's right off the motor. So I've had to cut out part of this pipe. Here's what it looked like when I could hear some more noise. It's paper thin on one side and fairly beefy on the other. So this was up in here as so. So this is no 15-minute job, I must say. Along with welding that in position, I've created a little guard. I'm going to take this band that you see right there, flexible steel band, and I'm going to fit this on here in an attempt to keep the Chicago salt on the roads in the winters from building up on this part of the van. Something like that. So I'll put the band around there, band on the van. There we go. I need 3 hands to do this. Anyway, you get the general idea. So thanks for listening. Bye-bye.